Hello friends, welcome to Tebos War Recipes. Today, we bring you some cookies especially for Christmas. We're going to prepare some Spanish shortbread cookies, also known as Polvorones Sevillanos. These are born in the town of Estepa near Seville, Spain, in the 16th century, where the nuns of the Santa Clara convent perfected the recipe. The nuns used to use the pig lard mixed with flour, sugar, cinnamon, and almonds to create these delicious cookies. Now, when Spain conquers Mexico, the Spanish teach the Mexicans how to prepare these cookies. And nowadays it's still a staple, especially in the town of Puebla in Mexico, where these cookies are prepared especially for the Christmas holidays. In 1927, they receive an origin denomination, making sure that the true Polvorones Sevillanos only come from that area in Spain. But the recipe is very similar, and we're going to show you how to prepare them. They're delicious, ready for the Christmas, and to leave them under the tree for Santa, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 2 cups of flour, 2/3 cups of lard, 3/4 cups of almond flour, 2/3 cups plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to start by toasting our flour. In a pan at medium heat, we're going to start toasting it, and it's going to take about 15 minutes until it changes color to a light brown. It's important to keep on stirring so we don't burn the flour. And once it changes color to this nice golden brown, we're going to get it off the heat and let it cool down for a few minutes. Now with our flour cold, we're going to use a colander or a sieve so we can strain our flour. We want it as smooth as possible. Then we're going to do the same thing with our powdered sugar and our almond flour. Now we're going to add our cinnamon, our vanilla, and our lard. It's better to have the lard at room temperature. Now using our hands, we're going to start combining everything. We're going to combine real well until we get a crackly dough. Now we're shaping a ball and you can see it cracks easily. This is what we want. Now we're going to flour the surface of our working table. We're going to grab our dough and using a rolling pin, we're going to start stretching it. We want it to be like 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch thick. Now that we have our dough stretched, normally they're round, but I'm using this octagonal cookie cutter. We're going to transfer our polvorones to a cookie tray with some parchment paper, and when we're done, we're going to put them in the fridge for a few minutes while our oven preheats. Now we're going to go into a 350 degree oven and we're going to bake our polvorones for 15 to 20 minutes. As our polvorones are in the oven, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe you would like to see in our channel. And don't forget, if you enjoy this video, give us a like. Don't forget to visit our store in Amazon, where you're going to find cooking books, pots, pans, specialty ingredients, etc. Or our Tebos World Recipe store through our YouTube channel, where you can find t-shirts, coffee mugs, stickers, etc. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's get back to the kitchen. After 15-20 minutes, we're going to take our polvorones out of the oven, and they're smelling fantastic. After letting them cool down for a few minutes, now we're going to take the rest of our powdered sugar and we're going to decorate them. And as a tip, using some tissue paper, in this case I'm using green, just for Christmas, I'm going to wrap them up just like a candy, putting it inside the paper and twisting the edges. Our Polvorones Sevillanos are ready, and I can't wait to try them. Our Polvorones Sevillanos, or Spanish shortbread cookies, are ready, and they look great. Let's try one. These are very delicate. Wow. Such a soft and delicate texture. It melts in your mouth. And that almond flavor is fantastic. Such a simple recipe, perfect for this holiday season. Hope you give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.